take into account the time factor. Because they have been sitting in this room since 8 a.m. So as a human being, I just wanted to bring that into perspective so that you can be humane enough, because I know lawyers are like politicians. So you may proceed, controlling officer.
Before I go into the presentation, let me express our gratitude as the Public Service Pension Trust Fund for giving us this opportunity to present our side of the story. Except for a very few occasions, the fund has not spoken on this matter, and that this platform has been granted for us to tell our story. We are truly grateful. We would like to communicate our positions, the facts that are involved, and the perspectives that we have regarding the voluminous information that is in the public media regarding this transaction. And of course, being a member organization, we are confident that this platform is not only speaking to the Public Accounts Committee, but also the members of the Public Service Pension Trust Fund whom you represent. So we trust that through this interaction, we are going to explain to the committee and our members and the nation at large the matters that involve this particular transaction, the way the board of this particular fund sees it. Through your invitation, which the fund received requesting us to appear before you, you raised 5 areas. The first one being the circumstances and decision-making process that led to the acquisition. And to that, I will, on behalf of the board, detail the matters from the moment